folks, it's me again. I'm gonna do a weekly what's new. I don't know what the hell week this is me up to. I got about three or four ahead of this one. So by the time you get this one, it'll probably be like June. I don't know. It's now it'll be May in about 3 hours. So it's what, April 30th, 31st. I don't know what the hell date of month it is. I don't keep track. But anyway, I'm still doing this YouTube thing. I'm still hacking at it. Got 2,012 subscribers, which is kind of pretty cool. What else? I got a few more videos coming. I keep putting them out late because I've been busy. So you're still getting one Saturday. You're getting at least one video on Saturday and one what's new on Monday. Not much is new actually because I'm waiting for a powder coat guy. And in the meantime, probably this weekend, I'm cleaning up part of the garage because it's a freaking disaster in here. And it'll probably be cleaned up before this video comes out, so I'll have it nice and clean. The bike and behind me is coming back. It's coming along pretty good. I got to clean up my storage and hang up all the junk on the walls. It's pretty coming up pretty good. I'm the powder coat guy because he's swamped, and I told him to take his time, but I probably shouldn't have. But I told him I need some parts back because I'm just waiting for him. So, and apparently every time he starts work, he starts around noontime, and then somebody shows up, and then he gets the sandblasting, and somebody shows up, and I know how it is. If I do anything in my garage during the day, it's crazy. Probably this week I'm gonna swap out the on my other bike. Sorry about the shade. My other bike, I'm probably gonna swap out the fenders for this 87 onto my other one, so it looks nicer. This week I'm ordering a set of Meyer plastics, the side pieces, which, of course I don't have one. The little side covers for the bike. And I know the Meyer thing, they say you got to screw them on. So I'm thinking of doing a machining video, just because. Let me show you what I'm doing. Let me show you. Hold on.